Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we are tackling my very messy kitchen. Yet again it is messy, and yet again it was after a very busy weekend. I have groceries on the floor, I have trash on my counters. The weekends just seem to be a really hard time for me to keep the house clean because I'm working a lot of the time. So if you'd like to see me clean up this kitchen and organize underneath my kitchen sink, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to clear the floor, put all of my groceries away and anything else that doesn't belong on my kitchen floor, which is pretty much anything that's on my kitchen floor. Okay, after tackling that, Gianna no longer wanted to be in the nest, and I really wanted to finish cleaning, so I just put on my little baby carrier. So next we're moving on to the counters, and I'm just getting rid of all the trash. And next we are moving on to the dishes. Next, I am removing everything from my countertops and giving them a wipe down. So after I wiped down all the counters, I decided I was gonna reorganize the appliances I have on my countertops. So you can see I'm just kind of like thinking and trying to figure out where I'm going to put things. And here I'm just filling up that little sugar jar that I had purchased in my latest Dollar Tree haul. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. I picked up a couple different items for the kitchen. And then I'm moving on to the rest of the kitchen, getting ready to bring a bunch of stuff downstairs to my basement. And would you look at that? That little end table, which I had taken out of my kitchen in my last cleaning video, has somehow made its way back into the kitchen. So that's moving out again. And we're moving on to my refrigerator. I'm just trying to get rid of some things. And I also wanted to hang my to-do list and grocery list that I had picked up at the Dollar Tree. And now we're moving on to the floors, so I'm just gonna quickly sweep them. And then I'll be using my Swiffer Wet Jet on them as well. Next, I'm moving on to my lower cabinets and drawers, and I'm just wiping those down also. I'm using this Mr. Clean antibacterial. It's like an any surface spray, and a microfiber cloth that I also got at the Dollar Tree. And now we are moving on to the dreaded under the kitchen sink area. To be honest, I have not cleaned this out or emptied it fully since I moved in. So once I take everything out of there, I'm just going to wipe it down. And then I'm going to start brainstorming on how I'm going to fit everything back in there. I actually had this shelf since like the 8th grade. It's like one of those locker shelves that gives you extra room. And I was using it in my bedroom closet, but I knew I wanted to organize under my kitchen sink, and I thought it would be perfect to just give me a little bit more space. So as you can see, I'm putting things in and taking them back out. I'm just trying to figure out what is going to look the best. And that's the finished result. There's still a ton of stuff in there and really no more room, but it looks a lot better. So that is the end of my kitchen cleaning. Of course, it took 2 days to finish cleaning this kitchen, but once it's clean, I'm pretty good at keeping it clean for the rest of the week until, of course, the crazy weekend hits again. But thank you so much for watching this video if you've made it to the end. I hope to see you in my next one, and please subscribe if you haven't already.